Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about returning values from functions. A function may or may not return values. For returning values, return keyword followed by the values or variables or expression is used. After execution of return statement, the function ends and the values of the expression is returned to the calling statement. It means if there are statements in the function after the return statement, those statements will not be executed. The calling statement assigns the value to the variable. For example, def sum a comma b, c is equal to a plus b, return c. Here the function name is sum and it is returning a value c. So in the calling statement we have written say z is equal to sum x comma y. It means the value returned by the sum function is assigned to the variable z, and this variable is used to use this value afterwards. In the next example, we are defining a function summult a comma b. This function is calculating c and d variables with the help of a and b and returning the values of c and d. Here two values are returned and hence the calling statement is written as p comma q is equal to summult x comma y. So the first value returned will be assigned to p and second value returned will be assigned to q. In the next example, we are using a print statement and return statement. The print statement will print the message on the screen and the return statement will return the value to the calling statement. Here we have called the function fun for 3 times. First 2 times the returned value is assigned to the variables c and d, but in the third time we have not assigned the returned value to any variable, and hence first 2 returned values may be printed by using the variables c and d, but the third returned value cannot be used in any way. So the output will be like this. In the next example, we have changed the sequence of return statement and print statement. Rest of the program is same, but the effect of this return statement will be that it will end the function. So the print statement after it will not be executed, and hence the output will change like this. Next, we have to write a program to calculate area and perimeter of a rectangle using function. For it, we have defined a function area peri, in which we have calculated area and perimeter, but we have not printed them here. Instead, we have returned the value of area and peri. The returned values are returned to the calling statement, that is a comma p is equal to area peri a comma b. The first returned value, that is area, is assigned to a, and second returned value, that is peri, is assigned to p, and hence in the next statement we have printed area is equal to a and perimeter is equal to p. In the next question, we have to calculate HCF of two numbers. In this, we have defined cal HCF, a function which calculates the HCF of two numbers and returns the HCF to the calling function. In the calling function, we have assigned the returned value to variable HCF. So the calling statement is written as HCF is equal to cal HCF num1 comma num2. The cal HCF returned the value and this value is assigned to HCF, and this value is printed in the next statement. The HCF of two numbers is HCF. Next, these are the questions you have to solve yourself and submit them within 2 days. Thank you.